In this session, we learn about Nifty and Sensex. We keep hearing about Nifty and Sensex in newspaper and TV. So, what exactly Nifty and Sensex? For understanding that, before we should understand about the concept of index. What is an index? Let you enter to the fruit market for buying the fruits. In order to know whether the fruits are fresh or not, are you going to check each and every fruit there? No, right? So what you would normally do, we have to take couple of the fruits and taste it, and we have to decide the fruit fresh or not. In the same way, if you want to know about the stock market, you cannot possible going to check each and every stock listed on the stock exchange because there are thousands of them. Instead, what would you do other do? We pick up the sample of stock. We pick up the sample of stock and check it, see how they are performing in the stock market. So we have to pick sample of stock. No, it's called a index. It's called a index. In India, there are two major stock exchange: Bombay Stock Exchange or BSE and National Stock Exchange or NSE. Sensex is the index of the stocks listed on BSE and Nifty is the index of the stock listed on NSE. So let's start in Sensex. So what is Sensex? Sensex is a sensitive index. Sensex is a sensitive index. In short form, we can call Sensex. BSE decides the stock that are to be listed on Sensex. So the criteria for picking a stock, we already discussed. No, index means we have to pick selected company stock. It's called a index. Okay. So in Sensex, we have to select a company. They have to follow some criteria. Okay. So how they are selected? The volume of trade of that stock and the total value of the stock in BSE. So that criteria they have to select the company stock. And BSE regularly prepare a 30 stock which will be together called a Sensex. So the BSE selected only 30 company stocks. So together called a Sensex. So now stocks are normally traded in BSE each day and the price of stocks determined according to demand and supply. So now let's talk about Nifty. So just like a Sensex is index of Bombay Stock Exchange, Nifty is the index national and 50. So together it's called a Nifty. Together it's called Nifty. Basically means the index of the 50 most actively traded stock from across all sectors. So Nifty consists of top 50 company from 24 different sectors. Nifty consists of top 10 companies from 24 different sectors. In BSE they selected 30 company stock. In Nifty they selected 50 company stocks. So Nifty is calculated by using market capitalization weighted method according to which weights are assigned according to the size of the company. So stock trading timing in India. So in India we have two stock exchanges, NSE and BSE. The timing both BSE and NSE is the same. The stock market in India is closed on weekend, that is a Saturday and Sunday. During the days the stock market is closed. And it also called on the national holiday. So all the national holiday it's not working. And timing 9:15 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Monday to Friday. And commodity trading MCX, just the time between 10 a.m. to 11:30. And Agri Community NCDEX time between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So no lunch break or tea break in the Indian Stock Exchange. They are working like a three section, that is a normal session, pre-opening section and a post-closing section. So this is the timing of Indian Stock Exchange. And future market. A future market is a action market in which participant buy and sell commodity and futures contract for delivery on a specified future date. So here buying and sell the commodity on the future date. Okay, so the future date, what will be the price? So like that they are decide the price on the specified future date. So some example futures market they given. And option market. An option is a type of security that can be bought or sold at a specified price within a specified period of time. So in exchange for a non-refundable upfront deposit, an option contract offer the buyer the right to buy, not the obligation to buy at the specified price or date. Option are a type of derivative product. The right to sell a security is called a put option, and while the right to buy is called the call option. Okay, and Dalal Street. In Marathi, Dalal means broker or intermediator. So Dalal Street in a area Mumbai. In India, House of the Bombay Stock Exchange BSE, the largest stock exchange in India, and other reputable financial institution also located in the Dalal area. It received the name Dalal Street after the Bombay Stock Exchange moved to the area in 1874 and became the first stock exchange recognized by the Indian government. So already told, Dalal means in Marathi called a broker or intermediary. So today Dalal Street is a metonym for the entire Indian financial sector, much like a Wall Street. Metonym means associate with the entire Indian financial sector. Okay, like a Wall Street. And next, Lombard Street. It's located on London. So Lombard Street, London is a street notable for its connection with the city of London merchant, banking and insurance industries stretching back to medieval times. From Bank Junction, where 9th Street converge by the Bank of England, Lombard. The street runs southeast for the short distance before bearing left into more easterly direction and terminated at a junction with the Grace Church. The street and French Street, its overall length 260 meters. It also looks like a Wall Street in a New York City. Wall Street. So Wall Street is a street lower Magadan. That is the original home of the New York Stock Exchange and the historic headquarters of largest US brokerages and investment bank. The term Wall Street is also used a collective name for the financial and investment community, which is include stock exchanges and a large bank, brokerage, security and underwriting firms and big businesses. So today, brokerages are geographically diverse, allowing investor free access to the same information available to Wall Street tycoons. I hope you understand about the different stock exchanges in the different place in the world. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on next video. Thank you.